Welcome to Easy Drawing Classroom. Hello friends, I'm Anna Maria. It's nice to meet you. I hope you're doing well. Today we're going to draw Garfield. Let's get started. Meet Garfield, the world's laziest and funniest orange cat. Gaffield was created by cartoonist Jim Davis and first appeared in newspapers on June 19, 1978. This makes Garfield over 40 years old, but he hasn't aged a day in the comics. Garfield is a big, fluffy orange tabby cat who loves to eat and sleep. His favorite food is lasagna, and he could eat it for every meal if he had the chance. Garfield also loves pizza, donuts, and just about any other tasty treat. He dislikes Mondays and diets. Garfield is known for his witty, sarcastic comments and his love of relaxing. He enjoys watching TV, taking long naps, and avoiding anything that looks like work. Even though he can be a bit grumpy and lazy, Garfield has a big heart and cares about his friends and family. Kids love Garfield because he's funny, relatable, and always up to something silly. His love for food, naps, and pranks makes him a lovable character. Plus, his adventures with his friends are full of humor and heart. G for Garfield. Now, it's time to paint. Green. Orange. Whether you're reading the comic strip, watching the TV shows, or enjoying the movies, Garfield is sure to make you laugh and brighten your day. So, grab a slice of lasagna, find a comfy spot, and join Garfield for some fun. What do you guys think? Our drawing is cute, isn't it? All done. Garfield, Garfield. Thanks for watching. See you next video.